Morning everybody. Today we're going to do some cleaning, but I want to do a quick check on oil consumption on the car, as the GT350s are rumored to consume a lot of oil. We rolled a little over 2,000 miles, so that's about 1,000 since my last oil change. So let's go ahead and do a quick check to see how much oil we've used up. It looks like we're low because we're not even in the hash marks there, so I might have to put that in. So I'll go ahead and add some oil, and then we'll figure out exactly how much we're missing after about 1,000 miles here. First quart I'm going to go ahead and put in here, and then we'll do another check here.
So after putting in a quart of oil, I rechecked the oil level and it was within the hash marks on the dipstick. So it looks like it is in fact true that we lose 1 quart of oil per 1,000 miles on this car. Thanks for watching and have a great day.